Greetings and salutations, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So this is a quick PSA video. I want to help people out, those people that are on Visible and on Visible's legacy plan. Okay, so lately you guys know that Visible changed and they now have two plans instead of one. There's a $30 plan and a $45 plan with other benefits and stuff like that. And I'm not going to go over the benefits or anything, but what I am going to talk to you guys about is a latest screw up. So Visible has screwed me over in the past, where on their original referral program, when you refer someone, you get a $20 credit. Visible was just new. So like for my YouTube videos, a lot of people used the promo code that I had, and I built up a lot of promotional credit. And literally I would have gone like probably 4 years without paying a bill, because I went 2 years without paying a bill. And at that 2 year mark, they cut my account. They completely killed my account because of all the credit that I had. And then they said, they would reinstate my account, but they weren't going to give back the credit that I had earned, because there was no way for them to see how much I actually had, even though I had screenshots of how much credit I had, because every time a month came by, the bill was taken care of. I would screenshot what the remaining balance of my credit was. So Visible's known to do some stupid fuckery like that. And they're doing it again now for those people on Legacy. So if you are on the Legacy plan, if you're connected with a party and you have, successfully gotten referral promotions, so people have used your referral code, which gave your bill basically an amount of $5 due, because the $15 from the party, the $20 credit, your bill would have been $5. That's what happened to somebody close to me. So they paid their bill this morning. It was $5. Visible charged them $5. We have the bank statement and everything. Yet the chat rep right now, because the services is not on, is telling them that they owe 25, that they cannot see, they need proof. They don't have a way for you to send pictures through the Visible chat, so you had to like DM it to Twitter, to their Twitter account, and it's just a whole clusterfuck of things. It's like, even when I try to logically explain to the chat rep, like they were like, "Oh, you still owe 25 more." First of all, the account now says that it owes that the person owes $25. It says that their account was past due February 23rd and that they owe $25. We're in August, so that's already, to me, that's a big red flag. Like something's wrong with the account, because if it's saying February 23rd, that's an entirely wrong date. But never mind that. Let me go to the most logical point of it. Visible, when you click pay now to pay your bill, it's going to charge you whatever it says on there that you owe. So if you owe 40, it's going to charge 40. If it's 25, it's going to charge 25. If it's 5, it's going to charge 5. You cannot edit how much you pay Visible. There's no area to click edit and choose an amount of dollars that you want to pay Visible. You just click pay now and it charges your card that you have on file. And I was explaining that to the chat rep, that it's not going to charge $5 now and then charge $25 later in the day for a bill. You cannot split your bill in two payments. You cannot edit how much you pay. And when I made that point, the Visible chat rep disconnected the chat on me. Mind you, Visible is going through a lot of problems, so getting another chat rep is going to take about an hour or two, because they have a high chat volume of people in their queue waiting to chat with a representative. And I know they're slammed and they're probably annoyed and irritated, but hey, I mean, when your company does stuff like this and it causes all these issues, it's bound to happen. So I'm going to say, as a key tip to a lot of people that's on the legacy plan with those, promo referrals and on the party pay, is if your bill's coming up soon, screenshot what your bill is. Screenshot your bill again the day of that you have to pay your bill, and screenshot your bank statement saying that you paid it, and then screenshot your account info after, just to be on the safe side. Because like I told the person, what's funny is they took $5, they want 25 more, which equals $30. That's the price of Visible's new plan. It's $30 for their base plan. And I told them we didn't even option to change, because we did get the notification that party pay will stay locked in for those who are on a party group and on the legacy plan. It will stay locked in so long as you keep the plan. Yeah. So anyways, just a quick video to tell people what's going on. Just watch your Visible accounts closely. And to the Visible chat reps, we're not stupid. We're good with numbers. So yeah. Best thing to do right now, really, honestly, on our end, what we'll end up doing is just canceling it. Just not even paying it, not even going forward with it. It's not a huge deal. It's not a huge deal breaker. Visible loses the customer, but they still got thousands of more, so they're okay. And yeah, life goes on. But for those, I tell you again, watch your account closely. You might end up getting screwed over. So keep the proof that validates your stuff. Screenshots.